Getting kind of cluttered up in here. Getting kind of cluttered up in here. Time for me to make some moves. I don't like being around everybody and people got their cell phones in their hand. I'm good. Get me around them. I see the light is green up here. I'm still rolling off the throttle, but this car is all behind me, man. It's you got to stay high alert when you ride a motorcycle. I don't care what people say. If you can get in a better position, then do that. See, now the dude in the truck want to speed up. And the Tesla want to start fucking braking. The light green as shit up here. Oh my God. We're not even gonna fucking make it, are we? People suck, man. Come on, man. Really? See, this is how bikers get rear-ended. And people just be cruising like this. 10 and 2. You scared. Just say it. You scared as hell on this road. Oh my God. Are you fucking serious right now? Are you serious? What are you doing? This is why I get frustrated right here. Shit like this. What are you doing? Cell phone in fucking hand. Texting her ass off. Got her phone low. And that's the second lady on her damn phone in the last couple of minutes. These people is killing me, man. They will get you rear-ended out here.